Graph the solution set 3y minus 2x is greater than 6. So here we need to solve for y first. So we have 3y minus 2x is greater than 6. Add the 2x over. So 3y is greater than 2x plus 6. Divide out the 3. So y is greater than 2x over 3 plus 2. So here the slope is 2 over 3. The y-intercept is 0, 2. So start with the y-intercept 0, 2. So 0, 2. Use the slope to graph the second point. So we have rise over run. So from where we left off with the y-intercept, go up 2 over to the right 3. Here, the inequality is strictly greater than. There is no equal sign. So this is a dotted line. Y is greater than. So here, our y is f2. Greater than will be above. So that means that the part that we want is this side. Negative 6y minus 24 is less than or equal to 8x. So let's solve for y. So negative 6y minus 24 is less than or equal to 8x. Add the 24 over. So negative 6y is less than or equal to 8x plus 24. Divide the negative 6 over. So here we divided by a negative number. So the inequality sign flip around. So we have y is greater than or equal to negative 4x over 3 minus 4. So here the slope is negative 4 over 3. The y-intercept is 0, negative 4. Let's graph this. Start with the y-intercept. 0, negative 4. So 0, negative 4 down. And then use the slope to move. The slope is rise over run. So we need to go down 4 to the right 3. So go down 4 to the right 3. Or we can go up 4 to the left 3. We can go up 4 to the left 3. The inequality here is greater than or equal to. There's an equal sign here. So we have a solid line. We have y is greater than or equal to. So y is greater than. So y here we have is negative 4 greater than. The greater than negative 4 is above. So here we want this side. negative 7y plus 8x is greater than or equal to negative 7y plus 32. So let's solve for y. So we have negative 7y plus 8x is greater than or equal to negative 7y plus 32. Get all y to one side. So add 7y over. So here all the y cancel out. So we have 8x is greater than or equal to 32. So solve x. Divide 8 over. So x is greater than or equal to 4. So here we have the equation x is greater than or equal to 4. There is no y. So this is a vertical line and x is 4. The inequality we have greater than or equal to. So that means that this here is a solid line. X is greater than or equal to, so greater than, the x right here is at 4, greater than 4, so it's on this side. So here, we want to shade the right side. (15x plus 10 is less than negative 15y plus 10. So let's solve for y. So we have 15x plus 10 is less than negative 15y plus 10. Let's minus a 10 over. So we have 15x is less than negative 15y. Divide out the negative 15. So here the inequality flip around and we have y is less than negative x. In other words, y is less than negative x. So here the slope is negative 1 or negative 1 over 1 when we graph it. And the y-intercept is 0, 0. So let's start with the y-intercept, 0, 0. The slope is negative 1 over 1, so rise over run, so down 1 to the right 1. So down 1 to the right 1, and we can do it as many times as we like. Down 1 to the right 1. Here we have less than, there is no equal sign. So this here is a dotted line. Y is less than. If we look at it, y here is at 0, less than 0 is below. So we want to shade this side here.